So today we will use for loop to iterate over an array. Now let's check them in action. First, I will create a variable students and assign them to array with some students. I will then add the for loop and write let I equals 0. I is less than 4 because we have 4 students. I plus plus. Then inside the for loop, I will log students passing I as an index number. If you check the preview, you should see the name of all students over here. Now let me add one more student over here. If you check the preview, you don't see that student over here. It's because we are using the static number. So instead of using static number, we can use the length property, which helps to return the number of elements in an array. So instead of using number 4, we can use students.length. If you check the preview again, you can see the new student has been added over here. Now, it doesn't matter whether you add or remove elements in an array because it should work dynamically. Now, let's create this simple to-do list without any functionality. We just need to add the title and some list item in li tag. So let me remove this code and instead add the to-do with some to-do list in an array. I will then create a function. The name of the function is create list items. I will pass r, which is array, as a parameter. Then inside the function, I will create a variable with empty string. Then I will use the for loop. And inside the for loop, I will use let I equals 0. I is less than r.length. I plus plus. Then I will add items plus equals inside the backtick. I will add the li tag, and inside the li tag, I will use interpolation. So I will add $r, and I will pass I as an index number. Finally, I will return these items. We know at this stage the function will not run unless we call them. So open the browser, and in the console, let's try to call the function and pass to do as an argument. When you call them, you can see it is now returning the list item in li tag. Now we need to append this list item inside this OL tag. To do that, we will use document.querySelector. We will select the OL tag, and we will use .innerHTML property so we can add the HTML. So let's call the function and pass to do as an argument. If you check the preview, you can see all the list item has been added over here. Now finally, inside the s1 tag, let me add the title. Great. Now feel free to add or remove the to-do list item over here. and it will automatically update. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we will use array methods like join, includes, and index of. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.